If you're ready to completely remove Cloudflare from your website and point all traffic directly back to your original hosting provider, you're in the right place. By the end of this full guide, you'll know exactly how to disconnect Cloudflare, change your DNS settings, and make sure your visitors land safely on your site. No middleman, no confusion. Let's dive in together and walk through each step with all the details you'll need. First up, let's talk about what removing Cloudflare really means. When you disconnect Cloudflare, your site traffic travels directly from your visitors to your original hosting server, without passing through Cloudflare's network or protections. This can be important if you're switching services, troubleshooting conflicts, or simply want to manage things on your own. Just remember, after this, you lose Cloudflare features like caching, DDoS protection, and SSL. If you're ready to go, here's how you do it permanently. Start by changing your nameservers, which are basically the traffic directors for your domain. Currently, your nameservers are pointing visitors to Cloudflare, but we want them to point back to your hosting provider, where your website actually lives. To do this, head over to your domain registrar. That's the company where you originally bought your domain. Think GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or whoever you used. It might take a minute to remember where you bought your domain. Especially if it's been a while, don't worry, you're not alone. Log in, find the domain management section, and look for DNS or nameservers. You'll see that your nameservers are set to Cloudflare at the moment. Replace those entries with the nameservers your hosting company gave you when you first set up your account. This process is like changing the address label on your website's package, making sure it gets delivered to the right spot. Once you make those changes, keep in mind it can take some time for DNS updates to spread across the internet. Sometimes it's just a few minutes, but don't worry if it takes up to 24 or even 48 hours. During this time, some visitors might see your site on Cloudflare and others on your direct host. Next, you'll want to actually remove your domain from Cloudflare's dashboard to cut ties completely. Log into your Cloudflare account, head to the account home page, and select the domain you're working with. On the overview page, you'll see an Advanced Actions section. Look for the Remove Site from Cloudflare option and click it. Cloudflare will double-check that you're sure, confirm that you want to remove the site. This is an irreversible step, so take a moment to be certain that you've set your nameservers correctly back to your host. Once you confirm, Cloudflare will delete all its settings and connections for your domain. Now a quick but important check, your DNS records. If you originally set up your website on Cloudflare using a CNAME setup, or if you had special DNS records only listed inside Cloudflare, you'll want to make sure your domain's DNS is complete and points directly to your host's IP address. Go back to your registrar or your hosting provider's DNS manager and double-check that all important records, especially your A record, which acts like the street address for your website, are set to your host. This step is like forwarding your mail after you've moved. You don't want anything getting lost. And that's it, your website is now free from Cloudflare, routing visitors directly to your hosting provider. If at any point you run into issues, give the changes some time to take effect. And don't hesitate to reach out to your registrar or hosting support for help. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions about removing Cloudflare or DNS in general, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.